guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaven and today I'm going to be reviewing a new planner that I'm getting for this school year. Now this planner is by a fellow YouTuber of the Blacktuber community. Her name is Lavish Ruby, or her name is Ruby, but her channel is Lavish Ruby. And this planner that she made is part of her brand, the Lavish Life brand. And it's supposed to be a completely student academic planner for students. And it retails for $35. So when you get it, it comes like this in just a mail envelope. And I believe she says that she packages all of this herself and runs it and ships it all herself. So this is what you get in the package, in little gold like wrapping paper. And then you have the planner and a little card that just has like social media stuff on there and tells you a little bit about the planner. And this is based in New York. So it comes in this nice plastic, and then when you open it, it's like a hardback kind of cover with little gold accents on it. And on the back it says Lavish Life brand by Ruby Asabor, which is her name. You can, and this is the black, the white marble version is what I got, and it also comes in like a plain black version. On the front it just says Lavish Life Academic Planner, and it's from August 2018 to July 2019. Let's see. I'm gonna turn this around. Okay, so here is the planner. As you can see, it has a nice marble and the gold hardware, pretty reflective on the front. When you open it, it has the pocket on the inside, and then just like the belongs to page and all of that stuff. And then it has a little welcome note from Ruby. Then you have your holidays for 2018, important dates, stuff like that. All your pretty basic stuff. If you're more of a religious person, it has like the important verses that she included, and more verses for situational type stuff. And I guess it's like school related or success related. She also included a random acts of kindness thing, which I think is really cute and really nice. It really reflects her personality. Then you have a bucket list sheet, which is nice to help you not get so lost in just doing schoolwork. Next you have the last semester reflections, which is pretty good, I would say. And we have a guest. Okay. Then I guess you have your semester goals. Please not. Please not. Go away. Then you have a semester checklist, just to help you get ready for the semester. Advisor meeting, apply for a job, for sure that one. Like the FAFSA stuff, which is really good. Reminders that's already like preset in here, so you don't have to remind it. Some tips that she has for success. This is your, I guess, your schedule to put like your classes in for semester 1. And then you have, what is this? Course info? Okay, yeah. Or how many is on here? Okay, this is like a box for each one. And then there's only 6. I'm sorry about my dog. Excuse you. So like I was saying, there's only 6 little boxes to put your classes. So I guess you have 6 boxes for each professor. So if you're taking, I don't know, more than 6 classes, well obviously, I don't know, if you're taking more than 6 classes, then I guess you would have to write them somewhere else. Let's see, a grade tracker, which is really nice. Then you have more like goals for exams. So like what you want to make for a certain thing. And I guess this is a study log. Okay, I get it. So it's like you have whatever it is that you're studying. So I guess a study schedule. So whatever you're studying and how you're going to study for that, whether it be with index cards or study guides, and you can put like the date of that. And I guess your goal of what grade you want to get. It's pretty cool. And then you have one of these, or like this page, this spread. You have one of those for each class per that semester. So I bet there's like just 6. It's like there were 6 classes. Oh, there's more. Well, I guess since I would want it to where like you would be able to separate it by semester. But that's nice. Oh, wait, maybe it is that way. Because when is the next semester? January? I'm gonna try to find where the next semester is. I didn't say anything about semester 2. Maybe after December? Oh yeah, after December. That's what it is. Okay. So after December is where like all the stuff for 2019 starts. And you have your last semester reflections to put down for the fall semester, and you have your semester 2 goals and all those pages that were at the beginning. Okay, sorry about that. I ran out of storage, but like I was saying, the semester 2, all the pages that were in the front for semester 1, after December you have all those same things for semester 2, including a nice little quote. And then you have those same pages like grade trackers and like study organization sheets for your semester 2 classes. And also we have these like little nice tabs on each month, and it's black on one side and then white and gold on the other side. And then each of the month sheets look like this, with the not to do, which is cute. I like that. Top goals, reminders, and little quote at the top. And then you have an expense tracker. Then you also have budget sheets, like a little savings thing, an income thing, which I don't know how you would be able to use that if you don't work or anything. I guess you could use this since it's January. You could use it for like you can get your refund. But then here's a close-up of what the weekly sheets look like. So you have the top priorities and due this week and a little quote. And then Saturday and Sunday is split like that. So yeah, I think it's a pretty nice planner for her, like first time ever making something like this. And you know, the paper feels not too thin. And we're actually gonna test it out right now. So I'm just gonna go to the front of this, where it has like the about page or whatever. I'm gonna try and do this one-handed and write my name. Okay, that's pretty ugly, but okay. Let's see, like what the ghosting looks like. There's just like a ballpoint pen, but you can't really see it through the page. So that's good. Well, I don't know about like maybe gel pens if it'd be different, but this just like black ballpoint pen. It doesn't really bleed through anything. So yeah, that's the planner, and you guys should definitely get one. It feels really good, really nice, and good job. If you want more videos like this, please like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.